promoting high school basketball players and programs. You can find him on Facebook, X, and YouTube. Mike has been at Osage 2 times prior to tonight, and we would be the first school he has visited and completed a trick shot for the 3rd time. Tonight we are going to give him to compete against someone to see if he can make that trick shot first. Please welcome Ethan Peterson to the floor. All right, so on the count of 3, both of you will be being to shoot 1 until someone makes it. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, Ethan, let's see it.
Why not?